Welcome to the 1987 Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, Article 12, National Economy and Patrimony. Under Section 2, the state shall protect the nation's marine wealth in its archipelagic waters, territorial sea, and exclusive economic zone, and reserve its use and enjoyment exclusively to Filipino citizens. In 2013, the Philippines solely filed an international case of its disputed territory, Scarborough Shoal, against China. The Philippines does not call for the whole South China Sea, but only to that tiny specific area of the South China Sea, off the nation's westbound shoreline that is inside the range of its exclusive economic zone and continental platform known as the West Philippine Sea. The West Philippine Sea would cover the Kalayaan, which is part of Spratly Islands, situated within South China Sea, and Bajo de Masinloc, also known as the Panatag Shoal, or internationally known as Scarborough Shoal. However, the Kalayaan and Bajo de Masinloc are quite far from one another, that the Kalayaan is surrounded with a group of small islands, while Bajo de Masinloc forms a triangle-shaped, covered with chain of reefs. The West Philippine Sea is the source of country's indigenous oil and gas with array of seabed minerals. The reason why disputants are of interest in these rich natural resources. In 2016, the UN-backed court in The Hague, Netherlands, declared that China's so-called 9-line claim in the entire South China Sea was invalid, while upholding the sovereign rights of the Philippines in the area, leading China to send more warships in Scarborough Shoal and Spratly Islands. The West Philippine Sea is crucial for the Philippines for strategic, safety, and economic grounds, especially for national patrimony and territorial integrity.